I don't look at this as the greatest dynasty in the history of pro football. When you think of the Pittsburgh Steelers, yeah, you think of Bradshaw, but you think of Franco, you think of that offensive line, you think of Lambert, you think of Major Green, you think of Mel Blount. When you think of the Packers, you think of Nitsky and Herb Adderley and Willie Davis and Starr and Jim Taylor and Lombardi and Horning. You think of a group of people. Here, when you think of the Chiefs, you think of Mahomes and maybe a little Kelsey.